What if everything you've been told about depression is a lie? And what if the real reason you're stuck in this endless fog has nothing to do with just needing to cheer up? Depression isn't a choice. It's not laziness. And it's definitely not a personal failure. But here's the kicker. Most people, even doctors, are missing the real reasons why your brain feels like it's trapped in quicksand. Today, we're tearing apart the myths, digging into shocking science, and revealing what actually works to pull yourself out of this hole. No toxic positivity, no jargon, just raw truths. Let's go. Imagine your brain as a car. Depression isn't just a flat tire, it's the engine, GPS, and brakes failing at once. But society treats it like a minor scratch. Just go for a walk, they say. Yeah, because a stroll in the park fixes broken neurotransmitters. Sure, here's the brutal truth. Depression is sneaky. It's not always crying in the dark. Sometimes it's laughing at a party while your mind screams, I want to disappear. And the worst part? We're gaslit into thinking it's our fault. Let's cut through the noise. For decades, we've been sold the chemical imbalance theory. Low serotonin, take a pill. But a 2022 study blew that myth wide open. Antidepressants only work for 40 to 60% of people. So why do millions still feel broken when meds fail? Turns out depression is more like a wildfire. Triggers include your gut. Yes, really. 70% of serotonin is made in your intestines. Inflammation. Your brain swells like a sprained ankle. Loneliness. Social pain lights up the same brain regions as physical burns. And get this, trauma can literally rewire your DNA. A Harvard study found that childhood trauma shrinks the hippocampus, the brain's memory center, making you more vulnerable to depression. Depression isn't just sadness. It's a parasite that hijacks your logic. Think of it like this. 1. Your energy tanks, you cancel plans. 2. Guilt creeps in. Why am I so useless? 3. Isolation grows. The brain panics. See? Nobody cares. 4. Repeat. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy, and society's advice? Stay strong, which is like telling someone with a broken leg to walk it off. Here's where most videos stop, but not this one. Let's talk about actual solutions that aren't just meditate, bro. 1. Fix your gut. A 2019 UCLA study found probiotics reduce depressive symptoms by 50% in 4 weeks. Eat fermented foods. Ditch sugar. Your gut is your second brain. 2. Move, but strategically. Exercise releases BDNF, a protein that repairs brain cells. But you don't need CrossFit. A 10-minute walk lowers inflammation by 20%. 3. Hack your social battery. Text one friend. Hey, I'm struggling. Most people want to help, but don't know how. Give them a script. 4th, redefine productivity. Brushed your teeth? Champion? Ate toast? Michelin star? Depression warps your metrics. Adjust them. A viewer once told me, I realized depression wasn't my identity. It was a warning sign. My body was screaming, we can't live like this anymore. That shift, life-changing. You're not crazy. Your brain is signaling that something's wrong. And the coolest part? Neuroplasticity means you can rewire it. Every small win, every glass of water, every deep breath is a brick in your escape ladder. Depression isn't a life sentence. It's a combo of biology, trauma, and modern chaos. But you're not powerless. Start small. Eat one clean meal, text one person, stand in sunlight for 5 minutes. Your brain's survival mode is stuck. We're gonna reboot it. If you want the exact steps to start climbing out of that fog, smash the next video on your screen. I'll see you there.